Hello everyone, we will continue the topic at exit command. Term itself is suggesting this command will help you to exit from the current screen without any input check. What we did in the previous video, if user is not giving the input and clicking on to submit button, error should come, but on the back button the error should not come. It should go back to the main application. This is our requirement. So to achieve that requirement, we discussed at exit command, and we did the first step of that particular thing. We simply choose the button type as exit. Now we all know whenever user will click onto the back button, process after input will call. So we will write the logic in process after input. How to write? I'll simply go to screen 100. I will go to PAI. I will create one module. Suppose name of the module is exit. You can give any module name, it's your wish. Now I will use the keyword at exit command. So I will simply double click on the module. It is asking, do you want to create? Yes. I will use the existing include. Now, whatever I will write here, that logic will execute on the back button. Simply, whenever user will click onto the back button, suppose, whenever user will click onto the back button, SAP will check what is the function type of the button. What is the function type of the button? The function type of the button is E. E means exit. So what SAP will do? SAP will simply check, is there any logic with add exit command? Yes, there is a logic with add exit command, and it will simply execute that logic without any input check take place. So I'll simply wrote the logic. So suppose on the back button, the control will go to the main application. So I'll simply write leave to transaction. I will give the transaction code of my main application. This is my main application. I'll check the syntax and I will activate the whole program. Now we will check this particular program. I'll put a breakpoint. I'm running the program, individual program. User is not giving the input and clicking on submit button. You can see error is coming. User is not giving the input and user is clicking on back button. What is the function type of the button? E. E means exit. So SAP will simply execute the logic which you have written using add exit command. If I will click on to back button, you can see our logic is executing, and now it is going to my main application. Very, very useful command. So what is the purpose of at exit command, at exit command will help you to leave the current screen without the input check take place. It means it will not check for the input. It will simply allow you to exit from the current screen. Suppose if I will go for my main application and I will run my main application. If I will go to first application, you can see the back button is here. If I will go to back, and you can see the control is again onto the main application. The same thing we can do in all other applications also, so that every application is in sync. Important topic, at exit command will help you to exit from the current screen. Just do two things. Take the function type of the button as E and create a module using at exit command and write the logic. Whatever the logic you want to write depends upon the requirement. So that's it in this video. Thank you.